Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. So, earlier you saw me dehydrate onions, carrots, and broccoli. Just want to show you where we're at. These are our onions. They're drying really nicely. Really nicely. These will be ready, oh gosh, sometime tonight. And then we have our carrots. You guys saw me do this. Onions, whoops, uh-oh, gonna put you down for a second. Okay, here we go. Here are the onions and the carrots. This was a full tray, guys. Look at that. And then the broccoli, remember the broccoli? The full tray of broccoli I showed you guys is now, that's it, all right here. Ready for cream of broccoli soup, or stir fry, whatever I need. If I taste a little bit of one, that's dry. Crunchy and really good. There you go. So that's what it looks like just a few hours in. Yeah, just few hours in, 2 or 3 hours. It is 6:10. I'm not sure what time exactly I put the video out. I'll have to look, but it's only a few hours. Here we go. I'm gonna put the door on it and wait for it to finish. Here we go. Awesome, awesome. Okay, I'll check back with you and I'll show you guys what I do with it in the morning. Didn't have time to do that big dehydrating video of everything that I do and don't do and how to use it, but I will tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that bell, and hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know that you guys are watching, and I will see you soon.